How can building owners achieve universal situation awareness for emergency incident management? Buildings nowadays are fitted with multiple subsystems to monitor operations within the building. Each of these subsystems consist of thousands of sensors spread across tens and hundreds of floors. Every subsystem has its own separate management system, making monitoring of daily operations complex and difficult. When a situation such as fire outbreak occurs, alerts appear across multiple subsystems simultaneously, requiring the operator to look at real-time alerts raised concurrently across different silo subsystems. If the situation affects more than one level, operators also have to deal with tallying sensors data against multiple 2D floor plans of a building separately. Such overwhelming load of information cannot be handled by existing solution. What if there is a way to unify all the dashboards into one? The Unified 3D Emergency and Incident Management Dashboard, EIMD, combines the 3D model of a building with all the real-time data in the building to create a digital twin, giving universal situation awareness in a single dashboard. As an interactive 3D solution, the EIMD allows you to manipulate and view situation more closely at each level, providing sensors detailed information on demand when needed. More importantly, the integrations in the 3D EIMD allows you to perform vital cross-platform interactions during emergency incidents management. For example, when an explosion occurs and the fire alarm is triggered, operator can easily click on the smoke detector and temperature sensors on the EIMD to verify data for preliminary investigations. Robot can be dispatched to the fire location for secondary confirmation and situation updates. The 3D EIMD works with video content analytics to pick up suspicious character loitering near the explosion site prior to the event occurring, tracking and tracing all locations the suspect has been to. In addition, the operator can perform smoke and fire spread simulation on the 3D EIMD to determine unsafe zones. Once evacuation routes is determined, operator can proceed to broadcast evacuation instructions via PA system and push directional instructions to digital signage. Instructions are also pushed to mobile apps to guide public in evacuation. Operator can also monitor evacuation progress via people counter and check for trapped survivor using drones. Apart from unifying all subsystems, the 3D EIMD also comes with supporting modules to aid operator in all-rounded management of operations. The 3D EIMD is equipped with a planning module to allow operators to make plans for any situation. Plans such as fire evacuation plan can be pre-drawn with the extensive 2D/3D objects library to indicate resource allocations and areas to avoid. Pre-planned evacuation routes can also be shared to mobile apps and be used in times of rescue mission briefings. The 3D EIMD comes with a scenario manager module which holds a reservoir of digital step-by-step guides to lead the operator to accurately handle incidents. The guides can be designed and customized according to each site's requirements, and be invoked when alarm occurs. The Scenario Manager module also records actions taken during incident response for traceability and auditing. Last but not least, the 3D EIMD is also equipped with a mobile incident reporting module to allow communication between operator and ground staff. Ground staff can send reports on incidents via the reporting module, notifying operators immediately, and the report will be logged down for follow-up actions. To summarize, building owners can have the following ROI from using the 3D EIMD. Systematic way of handling emergencies and incident, with easy access to sensors from various systems at the same location to provide information for quick and intuitive decision making. Optimize manpower and reduce chances of putting staff lives at risk via remote use of robots and drones. Save lives by making full use of existing equipment such as digital signage through repurposing them to display evacuation directions during emergencies. Reduce operational cost by consolidating monitoring of all your buildings in a remote operations center. The 3D Emergency and Incident Management Dashboard. Brought to you by G Element.